Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you why your face authentication failed on Lollipop Live app. The first reason is you use that same face to authenticate two Lollipop Live accounts. One of the accounts will be successful and the next account will not be successful. Reason being that Lollipop Live account app accepts only one face for one account. You cannot use the same face to authenticate two Lollipop Live accounts. It is not possible. The next is good internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is good enough. If it's not good, your face authentication might not work or probably will not work. The third is dark environment. Since it's a face authentication, you need a lighted environment, not a dark environment. Stay in a bright environment in order to complete your face authentication. There are some instructions that you have to obey. The first instruction is make sure your head is in the image provided. The third is little instructions like open your mouth, nod your head, and so on, blink your eyes, and so on. Please do well to obey this instruction in order to have a failed face authentication. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.